Alright guys, so before I start this video, I just want to tell you guys that Blue is back. He is not gonna leave all you guys, and why I haven't been here for too long, it's mostly because of school actually, or I don't even know, it's just something like being lazy and all that, not doing any YouTube videos in like almost 2 months. So let's get straight and right into the video now. So what is up guys, and today we're about to be doing my very first Geometry Dash video. It's not like I'm doing a gameplay or anything. I'll show you a tutorial like how I make my own like tutorials and stuff. So I'm gonna go to create, and I haven't even finished on Relentless yet, but when I go to the tools bar, here's what we're gonna be doing. How I make my shadow ground type of stuff, because you mostly see that on any type of other video. So let's create a new one, call it ground, nope, no, it's actually called mirror ground test. Now once we first start this, you firstly want to create this fully entirely black, except for the objective and 3D line, and I'm just gonna do like this and like that, and then I'll select the custom song. When I need it to do, I'm gonna use a robot language. Okay, I don't know why it's okay. Good. So I'm just gonna make my straight line like this. Make a straight line like that. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing, so since I've placed that, you have to click on this and place that, because you need like 2-player mode to like if you're feeling like you're showing your other block on mirror on the ground. So yeah, what do you want to do next? Okay, so there's this yellow thing. We're just gonna do it 45 right here, and I don't care how shitty it's gonna look in right here. Okay, now you're gonna have to put the lines like that. I don't know how it's like. Just gonna do it like this. Alright, so why move that? Because I made a mistake. So once you've done that, then you can basically fill out your line like this, and just how far you can. I'm gonna stop right here, and then yeah. Okay, so what you want to do next is go to this thing right here, and then you can choose this thing, and then swipe it all like that. And the top one, you cannot do that. You cannot do that because of the mirror type of thing. If you can hear me guys correctly, then maybe you can do this. Okay, now how do you add, so you add this spike right here and click on this and change it right here, and then that place this in here. Alright, so once you've done that, let's do this instead. So you take this block and add it right here, and you take these blocks and add them right here. And now what you want to do is go to this right here. Sorry, just ignore the background. And then add this as well, just to make it more lightful, and then let's go give it a play. So that's how I make my my backgrounds. Let's do it with a little bit more kick, because the ending, how I add like this and this right there. And now let's go give it a play. That's my mirror ground, and it's gonna be the mirror ground on Relentless here. Relentless is one of my favorite Water Flame songs, as you can tell by the message already. So yeah, this level is considered 2 minutes and 14 seconds long. I haven't even finished it yet, just because this and this right there. So yeah. Oh yeah, and also this thing, cause I don't know why we want to do that. Okay, so yeah, the mirror ground is gonna be doing this, because I don't know why, because on practice mode, when I ever hit the first thing right here, then the first jump on that, then the other attempt, I just do not mind the background right now, because it's shitty. It would just go straight up like that as a normal freaking thing, and then you can just like go all the way without even noticing. Now that is stupid right there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I failed my mission, but that's how I make my mirror grounds. If you wanna see the other one, like the other ones and stuff, like you can do that instead. Okay, so yeah, hope you guys see y'all later, and yeah.